Hey guys, welcome back to PhysioNet. In today's video, we are going to talk about walking aid, in which you will learn the side determination of cane, measurement of cane, gait pattern of cane, and stair activity with cane. What is walking aid? Walking aid is a device designed to assist walking and improve the mobility of people who have difficulty in walking or who cannot walk independently. The purpose of walking aid is to improve balance in a patient who lacks balance, to decrease pain, to compensate for weak muscle. Maybe when the patient has a weak muscle on his lower limb, we can use cane to provide stability to the patient and provide support. And it can also be used to reduce bearing on injured structures. Maybe when the patient has injury on the leg, the patient is not allowed to use his weight on the leg, so we can use it to reduce the weight bearing on that limb. Types of walking aid: cane, walker, and crutches. Features of cane: most common mobility aid, and it is commonly made of wood or aluminium. It transmits 20 to 25% of body weight. The elbow is flexed 50 to 30 degrees, and it is literally used by holding in the contralateral limb, which is affected. When the patient has, like our patient here, he has injured his right limb, then the patient will hold the cane on the opposite side. That is, there is a lot of debates concerning the side determination of cane, but literally, cane is held on the opposite side of the affected limb. Measurement of cane. The cane is placed 6 inches from the lateral border of the toe. Okay, here is the lateral border of the toe, then we place the cane 6 inches. Then we measure the cane from the greater trochanter of the femur to the point in the floor, or from the hand in gripping position 15 to 30 degree of flexion to the point in the floor. That is literally how we measure the cane. And the measurement of the lateral border to the point here, we use a tape and measure it. Gait pattern using cane. The stick should be placed forward at the same time as the affected leg, then the unaffected leg follows. Okay, let's demonstrate it using our patient. Okay, the cane together with the affected leg, then the unaffected leg. The cane together with the affected leg, then the unaffected leg. Stair activity with cane. We go up with the good leg and we come down with the bad leg. Okay, the patient will use the unaffected leg first, followed by the affected and the stick. Unaffected leg, affected and the stick. Unaffected. Okay. Then we can also hold onto the rail in order to provide stability and support. The patient might use the rail. Okay. Unaffected leg, affected and the stick. Together continuously. Okay. Descending. In descending the stairs, we go with the bad leg. That is the affected leg together with the stick, then the unaffected. The bad leg together with the stick, then the unaffected. Okay, all the way continuously. Classification of cane: standard cane, standard adjustable aluminium cane, offset cane, and quadripped cane. Standard cane: most lightweighted and easy to carry assistive device for walking. The only disadvantage is it cannot be adjusted. Then standard adjustable aluminium cane, it can be altered approximately 10 inches. It uses a push button to alter the height. Here is the button. We will slide in the button and alter the height to the desired height that we need. Offset cane. Most of them are adjustable, more expensive than hand cane. Quadripped cane. They have 4-point floor contact which give broader base of support. Canes are not practical for stair activity because of the broader base which cannot be adjusted on stair activity, and the walking speed is slow as compared to other types of cane, as the patient has to pick up the stick fully and place it on the floor. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more.